Hey guys, STS Cubing here. Yesterday, I uploaded a video in where I unboxed the Windmill cube, which I now know is the Windmill cube. Yesterday's video, I was very unsure. But yeah, so I have the Windmill cube now, and today, I just quickly tried to solve it, and it actually went pretty well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, a couple of things. Basically, one, just probably an overview of a solve, like kind of a tutorial kind of thing, and then just a solve, maybe, if I have time to record that part. So yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, let me just grab my device really quick so I can scramble this thing up. Alright. So, if you didn't know, this thing scrambles just like a 3x3. R2, B prime. Okay, so, after a while, we finally got it scrambled. I'll probably just, edit that part out. Well, not edit it out, but I'll probably just time-lapse that part. That way you don't have to sit through that. But yeah. So, here, we have the scrambled Windmill cube. Now, I know what you're thinking. This looks hard. And that's what I was thinking to do at first. But I learned it intuitively in 5 minutes. So, that's all you need. One thing I would recommend, though, is having basic knowledge of at least solving a 3x3. I would not recommend attempting the Windmill cube without prior experience, or you can go watch a 3x3 tutorial first, just so you understand like the terms or whatever that I'm saying, if you, for whatever reason, haven't learned how to solve a 3x3 yet, but you're going for this one. Okay, yeah, so in this video, I'm basically just going to be covering some 3x3 stuff that you use to solve this, and then also a little bit of Megaminx stuff that you use to solve this, but the Megaminx stuff is literally like 3 move algs like that. So it's nothing really that major. It's just a bunch of intuitive stuff. Alright, so on this puzzle, you can start wherever. I'm going to start with white, and just like a normal 3x3, the first step is solving the white cross. If you don't know what that is, here, I'm just gonna link my 3x3 tutorial videos in the description, so you can just go watch those, or I'll try to at least. And then, yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off by checking the alignment. So here, it's just like a normal 3x3, so for instance, if we want to get this red piece over here, just go U2, right? So now it's over here. But as you can see, it's unaligned. So if it's unaligned, then it's not that hard. You just move it over, rotate the center into alignment. So in this case, it needs to be moved twice, and move it back. Now, as you can see, we have this little block thing there. Next, we'll just go in order. So next, we'll do green. So as you can see, we have the green edge here, the green center here. So obviously this doesn't work, so we're going to move it once to put it into alignment. And now it's in alignment, bring it down, and there you have it, 2 of them done. Next we've got third, it's the exact same thing, move it over, move it over, check alignment, move it back. We got 3 of them done. And then last of all, we've got the 4th one, which is an opposite alignment. So we're just going to move the center twice, move this down, move it over, and move this back up. If you already know 3x3, that should be pretty simple stuff. So, now that we're done with that, we'll move on to F2L. If you don't know F2L, and you're using beginner's method, this still works, it's just a little bit harder. So here, I'm just going to explain this first one from an F2L standpoint. So as you can see, we have the red corner the red and white corner that goes over here, right here, and then the edge that goes above it right there. So what you're going to do is, the first step is take out the red corner to the top layer. And now you'll get a couple cases. So in this case, I'm just going to explain it like if you already know L2L, because that's what this is for. So as you can see, they're both facing the same direction. So if you just do the simple R prime U to R, they'll align themselves. And then you can just go to the back or just solve into the back and do a simple L U prime, or L prime U prime L insert. As you can see, that's the first one done. So give me a sec. Oh, sorry. So yeah, so now that we got the first one done, I'll try the second one in beginner's method. So here we'll use these orange pieces. So what you're gonna do first is put the corner into its slot like that. And then for F2L, this part is kind of a little tricky. So what you want to do is you want to align it so that the orange is on top of this. Do the standard algorithm. And in this case, it solved itself. I'm going to try a different case because sometimes it won't go right away. Okay, so I think this one might as well, but let's just try it. So we do the algorithm. Oh. What the heck? There you go. So when you do the algorithm, as you can see, this piece is flipped backwards. So we just got to play around with that, doing the algorithm a couple times until it's in proper alignment. So then, right, and then we'll try it again. And as you can see, now it's in alignment, so then you can just insert it. So just for the F2L part, just play around with it. If you know F2L, it's a big help. But yeah, so yeah, if you're using beginner method, just play around, and it'll solve itself after a while. So as you can see, now we've got 2 layers done. We're on to the top layer. So this top layer is going to be solved exactly like a 3x3. So for example, this case would be the equivalent of this case, or well, not this case exactly, but you know what I mean. Because you don't worry about the corners yet. The next part is to get the top color across. So, and as you can see, both are line cases. So how you solve this one is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F. So that's exactly what we'll do for this one. Yeah, okay. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then F prime. So now, as you can see, we've got this done. So here's where the Megaminx bit comes in. So, once again, I'm going to be relying on your knowledge of 3x3. So, if you use this method, basically solve the top layer corners how you normally do it on a 3x3. If you do it this method, and then, you know, or however you do it, I never learned that method, but sorry, my camera cut out because I ran out of storage, but okay, so I'm back after a couple hours of playing around with the cube, and after looking up a couple tutorials to make sure I knew exactly what I was doing. What I did was I found it, and then, yeah. So this is I'm just going to start at the beginning of the second layer, or of the last layer, because the first 2 layers were correct, right? But yeah, so I'm just going to do a couple of random algorithms so that the first and second layer stay intact, but the third layer messes up, like that. Okay, so as you can see, once again, you're just going to do this like normal OLL, So you'll do, in this case, it's a dot. It was a dot case, so you'll just do that algorithm, right? And now that you're done with that, you have to get the smaller of the 2 pieces. You have to try to find 2 of them that are adjacent, that are correct. You might have to turn the cube a couple times, but in this case, we already have some blue and orange. So what you want to do is hold them so that they are away from you. So as you can see, this is not solved, this is not solved. And then you want to do this algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime. The last U prime solves all of, sorry. That last U prime ends up solving all 4 of them, as you can see. So now all that's left is permuting these corners, I guess. So you're going to do that is, in this case, as you can see, none of them are in the right place. So, permuting. So, as you can see, this is not there, this is not there, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to do in this case is hold it anywhere, and then do this algorithm. One sec. Okay, I'm just not going to explain it in algorithm form because it's a little bit more complicated that way. So you just bring up, side, up, back, down, side, down, back. And then, as you can see, we've got these 2 permuted. So now what I'm going to do is hold this one here so that it's in the bottom right, or hold one of the solved ones here so it's in the bottom right. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, sorry, this is correct. Sorry, I was looking through the camera lens. So yeah, so now we only have one of them that is solved, right? So once we have one of them that is solved, you want to hold that in the bottom right, and then do that same thing again. Up, side, up, back, down, side, down, back. And as you can see, they have all been permuted. So now, if I'm not mistaken, you should be able to just do this until it solves. And then, you cannot, after you, here, look, once I get there. Yeah, so look, after you insert that, you cannot forget to do the last D, because otherwise, because if you do that, if you forget to do that, then it'll mess up the entire thing and you'll have to restart. That's what I did at the beginning of the video, I believe, so just make sure you don't make that mistake. And then, with some luck, there you have it. It should be solved. I believe that bypasses parity, cause I've tried it a couple times and I haven't gotten parity a single one. And in all the tutorials that I watched, they just showed that method, and then they didn't show any parity alg after that. So yeah, that should be it. I'm not gonna do my solve in this video because this is already gonna take a massive amount of time to edit. But yeah, so I'll do that in another video. But yeah, so that's gonna be how you solve the windmill cube, and like just a bit of an overview of the windmill cube. It's a really fun puzzle, and I really enjoy it. If you don't have one, you should definitely pick one up. Yeah. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all next time. Bye!